Beijing Jitai Tech Detection Device Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of non-destructive instruments, such as ultrasonic flaw detector, hardness tester, ultrasonic thickness gauge, coating thickness gauge, surface roughness tester, and universal testing machine. We are located in Beijing with convenient international shipping, air transport, and national express conditions. Goods can be quickly transported to various ports according to customers' needs. Our R&D departments are made up by experienced NDT researcher, project manager, and professional technician who are devoted in developing and innovating NDT products for over 9 years. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asian, Europe, and so on. Our company provides OEM and ODM services to support customers' customized requirements. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our company will guide your brand in the right direction. It is appreciated to cooperate with you in the future.